Hello, my name is Sam. I am 14 years old and I go to Cardiff Youth Club. I like going to Cardiff Youth Club because I get to see my friends and do lots of different activities every week, such as cooking, going out for meals and playing pool.
Hi, I attend the youth/gaming club and I've gone through a lot in this time. I've made friends, I've learned new skills and it's helped me a lot.
My youth worker, Dean, who helps with my well-being, he's helped me through so much. He is always there for me and he's always pushed me and encouraged me to my maximum, so he will benefit me later on in life. And he's always there to talk to me whenever I need someone to lean on or rely. He's always there and he would always listen to me no matter what.
My name's Amy Humphreys and I'm a Year 11 student in Plasmam. Since working with Matthew, he has listened to my concerns and given me advice. He has helped me improve my relationship with teachers and friends, my behaviour and my concentration in class. It's made me a lot happier.
What amazing things have I done because of youth work? I've done quite a lot of things, but the main thing that I've done is I've gone to college. Because of youth work, I got a place in college. They pushed me to do my best and supported me because they knew I could do it, and I did. And now I've completed my first year in college and I'm going into my second year.